Hi, and welcome to the Holy Micro Lab. Today, we're making sure your new Absolute AoA system is ready for flight by performing a quick and essential bench test. We strongly recommend this test to confirm component function and practice connections, and even how to use the software before your actual aircraft installation. Here are the items you'll get in this bench test kit. A small 12-volt battery that is good to power this unit for many hours. A battery charger with charging indicator, a small Bluetooth speaker. It can be wired also with the right cable, a bunch of quick connectors, a connector to safely run power from the battery to the AoA unit. You have received the flap scanner with 4 wires, the sensor unit with tubes and wires connected, and the CPU unit. We'll start by connecting the peripherals to the sensor and CPU units. First, the flap scanner. We will connect the 4 flap scanner wires to the AoA sensor unit. The flap scanner will go inside the probe. This is how an assembled probe on a Cessna plate looks like. You can see the flap scanner and the wires coming from the sensor unit and the flap scanner. For bench testing, you do not need to have the probe connected. All the wires in the unit are properly labeled. We will connect the wires from the flap scanner to the wires from the sensor unit using the quick connectors. Remember, the flap scanner requires only 5 volts, which is supplied directly from the sensor unit. Do not connect 12 volts directly to the flap scanner, or it will be damaged. You just have to match the color of the wires on either side of the quick connect. Gently tug on the connection to ensure it's stable. Now the flap scanner is connected to the sensor unit. Next, we connect the sensor unit to the CPU unit. These wires are also properly labeled. We connect the orange and green communication wires on the sensor unit to the orange and green wires on the CPU unit. We use a quick connector and match the wire colors on either side. Now connect the display unit to the CPU unit. We are using the dash mount display here. Same steps if you are using an instrument panel display. Connect all 4 wires from the display unit to the CPU unit using the connectors by matching the wire colors. Gently tug on the connection to ensure it's stable. The blue wire, white wire, and thin black wire, together labeled as audio wires, is not needed for the bench test. Finally, we have to connect the sensor unit and CPU unit to the battery. We put together the red wires coming from the sensor unit and CPU unit. Similarly, we put together the black wires also. These wires are connected to the battery connector wire. Use a quick connector and match the wire colors. This completes the interconnection of sensor unit, CPU unit, flap scanner, and the display. Double-check the connections. Now we are ready to power the unit. Make sure we have the HMI fully charged with us. As soon as we power the unit, the display will show up. Switch on the HMI unit. From the home page, touch Absolute AoA button. Then touch Connect to AoA CPU. The agreement page will appear. Scroll down and accept the agreement you have to register the unit and get the installation ID. Enter the installation ID and submit. The home page of Absolute AoA application shows up. We go to Test Audio and Display. A message pops up. Touch OK. The display and test audio starts playing. You can increase or decrease the volume. To check the Bluetooth settings, go to Pair Bluetooth for Audio on the home page. The page displays the Bluetooth settings. The Bluetooth speaker will be displayed there as F3. You can perform a test audio from this page also. You can increase or decrease the volume. Congratulations! You've successfully bench tested your Absolute AoA system. You're now ready for aircraft installation. You can buy this complete bench test kit from our holymicro.com website. Always make sure the battery is fully charged. Experience Absolute AoA. Elevate your flying. Stack the odds in your favor. Fly smarter, fly safer, fly Holy Micro.